Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we'll check how to fix Android freezing or stopping screen. So let's start. Well, I will share with you some tips that can help you to do it. First, you have to check if there is no other app that is causing this trouble, because sometimes we download apps by site or something and this is causing trouble on your phone, so you have to check the app that is causing this. So for that, let's go to settings and then let's go to apps. Here on apps you can check all the apps that your device have, so just wait and you can looking for the app that making the trouble on your phone. So just wait until this load and here appears all the apps. If you don't have an zero apps that is causing trouble, the other tip that I have to give you is check if there is now an update on your phone. So let's go to our phone on settings. So here you have to check if the phone will have an update. For example, here, if it has an update, you have to update your phone because maybe this is causing the trouble on the software. So please check the update. In case that you don't have an update and they continue the trouble in your phone, I recommend you to reset your phone as factory. So here you can see that you have the option that says backup and restore. So you can back up the device on your computer or in another device or your Google account, etc. So it's important to back up your information because probably you will lose. So after you back up everything, you can do a factory reset. You can do the accounts, contact photos, and video. So if you want to delete everything, just press erase all data and you will erase all the information here and your phone will be like new. So maybe with this the software will be fixed. So that is the tips I give you. Also, another tip that you can try is restart the phone. Just press the button about power and then restart the phone. Probably with that your trouble will fix, but I think the better one is, well, restart the phone as factory. So well, I hope it works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.